you can see behind me, the framers have been hard at work. We've got the main floor fully framed in. The excavation contractors have been here. We've got drain tile in and inspected. We've got gravel in. We are standing main floor walls. So let's spin the camera around and have a look and see what everybody's been up to. Right here, right in the camera view, is where a garage is gonna go. So in order to achieve that, we've had to backfill this whole area in 3/4 crush and then tamp it down with a 1-ton plate tamper to make sure that this is nice and solid so that this garage doesn't settle or do anything dumb in the future. Over here, we've got the framers getting the wall put together, nailing it off, getting her done, as you do. So here you can see we've got the rainwater leader, the top pipe here. We've got dimple membrane, which gives a water place to go so it doesn't go in the home. It follows the little cavities that are in behind there. And then back here, we have got an absolute buttload of gravel. So all this stuff will get cleaned up. Sprucehill doesn't believe in burying garbage in the hole. It's not the Sprucehill way. So we've got the drain tile going here, drain tile over there, and then this is just a window well, so there'll be drain tile going through that. You can't really see it on the outside here. Same thing here, same TDLs going on here, and the excavation guys are working their way around the back of the house to give us the whole yard back. So yeah, it's a ton of progress. If there's anything that you'd like to learn more about or see more of, or me talk more about when we're looking at all of our different projects, please leave me a comment. I will do my absolute best to make sure that I include that content in future videos. In the meantime, if you'd like to learn more about how Sprucehill builds homes, how we're able to build them better and faster than all of our competitors, we are so proud of what we do and how we do it. Reach out and talk to us. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, stay awesome, and thanks for watching.